Creating a contents page for a PDF is not a default feature of Acrobat, but it is possible to create a table of contents in a PDF using a few links. Start Acrobat and open the document that you want to create a table of contents for. Now open Microsoft Word and use this program to create a non-interactive version of the table of contents. Go through the PDF and make a note of all the headings in the Word document that you want to appear in your table of contents. Once you have done this, save the Word document and make sure you select the PDF option from the drop-down box. Go to Acrobat and click the Insert Page from Another File icon at the top of the program. Locate the table we just created and click Open. From the drop-down box, select Before and choose the first page and click OK. You will now see that the table of contents has been added in front of the PDF document. Now we have to make the links on the contents page interactive. Click the Tools button in the top right of the program and then click the Content Editing tab that has appeared. Click the Add or Edit Link button, then draw a rectangle over the first title in the Start menu you want to make a link. Set the link type to Invisible Rectangle and make sure the link action is set to Go to a Page View. Click Next. You now need to set the destination for the link. Visit the page you want to link it to and click Set Link. You will need to repeat this process for all of the links in your contents page. In this example, we'll just do the one and test to see if it works. Save the PDF and close Acrobat. Now navigate to the file on your computer and open it. When you hover your mouse over the link, you will notice that it is interactive. Simply click to follow the link, and that is how to create a table of contents in a PDF.